Welcome back to episode 5, guys, of our Watch Dogs playthrough. We are now going to be trying to hack into the Brandon Docks C2 list, because now we need to do missions here. And this guy's already on me. Why do you check there? Do you think anyone knows? Sleepy. Anyways, welcome back. I'm loving this series. I hope you guys are too. It's been great to kind of replay this. What does that say? This sign is racist. Alright, so we need to find a camera and scope this place out. There we go. Oh, I remember this place. I like this one. This one's the weird one, but it's alright. Let's see. Someone's snipping. You're sniping. Open that one. You're sniping. You can call reinforcements. We need to get over here. You can explode. You can explode. I'll just blow you guys up now. No one's gonna know what happened. Oh my.
Search over there.
You guys still don't know. You can't hide from me. Ah! You're who I'm looking for. Let's see. I might be able to do this without even having to go inside.
I got nothing. I'll check over there.
Oh, yep, don't even have to go inside. That's how great this is. I'm just that good. Oh wait, someone's looking for me. Someone might know where I'm at now. Maybe not now. Okay, perfect. Let's see what this video is. Anything interesting? What is that? Recycled trash can? Oh. Why does the trash can have? Alright, fair enough. Alright, Brandon Docks unlocked. And that's how you do it. Looks like a CTOS rank, because why not? How many more do we have here? We have 1, 2, 3. Okay, we'll knock those out maybe today. First, we're gonna find out what we're doing next. Breakable things! Let's begin this next mission. What are we doing? We're at Racine now.
Someone here was hired by Damien. Start with the owner, Robert Racine. And just work your way down. Stay cool, just keep your head.
Yes. Alright, let's go find access code to Racine's office. The stealth part. Make sure I get my pistol out just in case I need to do stuff. Whoop. Whoa.
Doing that.
That's crazy talk, bro. No one heard a thing. You didn't hear a thing. Well, you can blow up. Get rid of you. No one heard that, right? There's another camera. Oh, that wasn't what I meant to do. Thought that was a camera. You can call reinforcements. Anyone else here? There's no one over here? You're the only guy? Bruh. If you come over... Oop. Wait a minute. Come closer. Alright. Taking care of everyone before I even get in here. Alright, let's see. Distract you later. Ah boy, Juggernaut. Whoops. Not what I meant to do. Oh my. I should have waited for that. Is there another one? Nope. Alright. Let's get it down. There's one more up there. Or in. Oh no, they're all in here. Let's see.
Gonna move on. Nothing here. Moving on.
Oops. Didn't even get it. What's going on with all that noise?
You got wounded.
They don't even know. Someone just say stay frosty? Well, I have one of these. Might as well use it. Whoop. Alright, that's you down. I'm gonna use the grenade launcher on the big guy since I don't have the enforcer skill yet to take him down. Boop! I booped you. Alright, now let's take you out with the grenade launcher.
Search over there, but watch your back.
Who are you talking to? You're dead, sir. Alright, now they gotta get up there. And that's how you strategically take care of every single person in here. Me in here.
Nothing. Computer. You can hack the cameras through the computer.
That we can. Robert Racine, would you
Robert.
just stand in there?
Nice to meet you.
Who just stands in the garage?
Are you double-crossing me? I got you the Pierce woman. The woman, yes. I told you not to go for the kid. Did you think I'd actually pay you more? Now you've complicated things. Who's this guy after me? Did you send him? I didn't send him. But I probably should have warned you about Aiden.
You gotta help me, or I'll tell him everything I know.
That's exactly why you don't know anything. He's not gonna be happy when he finds that out.
Fuck, man, what do I do?
Whatever you can. Good luck.
He didn't even tell him to go after the kid. He did it, and now he's living to regret it.
You son of a bitch. You're not getting away from me.
Forgot the guy was there. Get back here! Get back here! Give me this car. You can't run for me, big boy! Except unless I don't know how to drive. I forgot which one was the brake. Just wait till I take you down, big. Oh, I missed the steam pipe.
Hello? You're gonna have to get somebody out here quickly, alright?
You got it. It won't get past me.
Ah! That wasn't even the right vehicle I wanted to take down.
Screw this. I'm gonna ram him.
Ram me. No one's even close to me. Oh, there is one behind me. Whee!
He'll feel this.
Feel what? Dude, you're driving so slow. I wish I could just take you down. Is everybody just chilling here?
He's pitching his ride.
Got him! Oh, I missed. Woo! Love me some explosions.
Don't fuck with me, Aiden. Wasn't I clear?
You stay away from Jackson.
Yeah. About that, one of my employees got a little overzealous. Your nephew is not on my radar, but you go off the rails again.
Put my sister on the phone.
Listen to you. You think you have any control here? You get to talk to Nikki once you have something useful to give me. Follow that IP address and then we'll talk. Right now, you're just wasting my time.
Damn. Straight up wasting. Well, he's wasting my time, bro. I just blew up a whole bunch of cars. Vigilante Protector.
Damien knows me too well. Knows exactly how I'll react. He must have been planning this for a while.
Probably.
That man always goes too far.
Just gotta do what we
Right now,
can.
no other options.
Collateral damage. Let's begin this. Back to our hideout. I haven't been here in a fat minute.
Son of a bitch.
Alright.
Fucking Marla job. Alright, Damien. Let's see if there's something you missed. Right there. Damn it.
What the? Hey, it's me.
Don't come in and don't knock.
Shit. I have a lot on my mind. Okay, come here, take a look at this.
Who is she?
I don't know, the file's corrupt. You have any ideas how to make the video play?
This isn't fixable. You need the original.
I'm running a search on your CTOS access.
That's what I wanted to talk to you about.
See, I don't think he knows about this. He would have bragged, I know him.
Who would have bragged?
She might be a lead. Or not. Gotta stay a step ahead of him.
Are you in trouble?
Not necessarily.
An IP address.
Yeah, he gave that to me. Can you find where that leads?
What is all of this? Aiden, answer me. I'm not doing anything until...
He took her, Clara. He's using my sister as collateral.
Oh my god. The man we traced?
Yeah. Damien Brinks.
I can't help you. I'm gonna go. We'll talk later, right? After you're done.
Shh.
Someone's coming.
What's happening?
Cover your ears.
Not my girl! That's my girl, bro. Oh, that's my girl. Damn, bro, we just lost everything. Oh my god. Hold on, I gotta heal. Ooh, new gun. Let's see, who's here? Guy up there. Is it just the guy up there? Oh, it is. Fair enough. There's two up there, though. Damn, Clara! What? Where? Oh, he's up there. I thought he was below.
More nearby? Here to back you up.
They're coming through the front.
Ooh, that was a lot. Keep your head up. Oh, there's a sniffer.
Keep moving. Almost there.
Around that way.
Alright.
Stay focused. Grenade!
Yo, my gear's gonna blow. Go on, finish it. Finish it!
Oh, you're smart.
This way.
Where do we go? Oh, stairs.
We need every available backup.
Well, I only got one of these left.
What do they want? Who are they?
We're here. You need help?
What the hell we hit on? Just stay low. I'll get us out.
My grenades at? They have to be like right here. Got it. Got him. Alright, Claire, get in your car. Get in your car. Get in your car. Get in your car. Get in your car.
Go. Get in the car. I'll finish here.
Yeah, Claire, you got a nice car.
They're going to trap us.
Ah, shit. Oh my god. I didn't realize someone was there. Where are you, big boy? Mind if I take your guys' car? Now we got a GTFO. Bro, we lost our entire house. But I think that means it's time to get the bunker.
Clara, are you okay?
Of course I'm not okay. God, who are you?
I don't know how to answer that.
I know a place where we can talk. Here.
Who are you? I don't want to answer that. Yeah, that's not really the answer I'm looking for. Alright, let's go talk to Claire. We have to talk to her.
She's somewhere cold.
One foot in the grave, I
Get
think it's
outdoors.
time to finally unlock
I'll keep
the
her talking,
bunker.
maybe I can find
It's
where
probably
she
one of
is.
my favorite hideouts.
I just lost everything. My hard drives, my network access. Alright, I need to get back online. Where's Clara? Be careful, Aiden. Don't pull her into this.
No, pull her into it. That's my girl, bro. Hey.
Here.
Thanks.
Those men. Who are they?
I don't know. Yeah, they must have picked up on the CTOS search.
That's why I wanted to see you. Ep.6 says that someone else has the system hacked. I took it, and I gave it to you.
Now, hold on. I didn't give it to anyone. I wouldn't.
We need to trust each other.
You know what? I don't have time to soothe you, Clara. If you don't trust me, there's nothing I can do. Someone shot up my motel room. My sister's gone, and I had nothing. You are not my priority right now.
No, I know that. Of course.
Look at that booty.
Do you know this place? Somewhere near here. It's supposed to be the first test site for CTOS. It is known as the bunker. At least, that's how the urban legend goes.
A bunker? One with access to the entire city?
Undetected access. I've done months of research on it. City planning, zoning documents, things they don't want us to see. There's a blank spot on every map. Right over there. Ish. And you've lost your damage deposit on a motel.
She's smart. I like it. I need a real life Clara. Should I leave? Should I leave you guys two alone?
Need
Oh,
to
no.
find a way inside that bunker. Undetected access to the whole city.
Supposed to be a camera, yeah.
I could use a break right now.
Oh wait, no, I don't need that. I need... Yeah. Tobias!
You can do that. You may be my way in. Tobias Frewer. Well, somebody's been on that island recently. His name's Tobias Frewer.
Tobias was one of the CTOS pioneers until Bloom fired him. The man is vraiment crazy. Or on drugs. Maybe both. He lives right near here. There's a homeless camp.
He's homeless?
He's got an underground shop hidden in there. DedSec goes there for some of the more rare hardware. You can't forget him. He's paranoid and won't talk.
I can be persuasive.
I'll let you do the talking.
You really want this place to be real, don't you?
It is real.
So you're buying into the legend.
Papa used
She's
to
a
take me
tattoo
camping
artist.
in Mont Tremblant. He'd
Decent
always
income,
say we were
as far as
looking for
visa.
treasure. I didn't understand that
There,
he
Lily.
was stealing from the cabins. Gold
Or
watches,
Lily.
tools. The look on his face when it was something special. Like one time, I found an old rusted coin with a regal
Lost
emperor.
toe to frostbite?
He said
Oh,
it
I'm
was
so sorry.
ancient Roman
Ex-military.
Priceless.
Owes more than
But he
$10,000
let me
in
keep
debt.
it. Said it was my door to a magic world.
Pickpocket. Food
The whole
stamps.
Roman Empire. I guess I am my father's daughter. Stars in my eyes.
Well, I hope this bunker's real too.
It's real.
Rice poetry, hell yeah.
Resulting in a gas main explosion. No
There.
reports on casualties.
That's where Tobias runs his shop. Mostly black market junk. Sometimes you can find rare schematics, if you're lucky.
Yes,
not
I liked
there.
his shop. That's where I
But
get
now-
all my stuff from.
Someone here knows how to reach him.
Like you'd be able to get like, I think system hacks and blackouts and every. Oh, that was quick.
What is it? I'm in the middle of a poker game. There's somebody at your shop. Well, it's closed. Wait, what do they look like? I don't know, man. Punk rock chick and a... Then it's closed.
He's playing poker. I'll get them to deal me in.
Where you at?
Poker game, huh? Let's see.
I don't
where
mind playing
you're
some
hiding.
poker.
There we go. Hold on, what's this?
Uh-oh.
Someone else is tracking the call. It's gotta be fixers.
Like all the builder fixtures,
You're not
or...
gonna believe this. I finally got a lock on Frewer. I'm going to pick him up now.
What?
There they are.
What?
They'll hunt him down fast.
What? Oh crap, I'm
Stop.
trapped. You still one of your cars. Ooh, muscle car. Ooh, hear that purr. Sounds like something's wrong.
You were right. He's paranoid. But I found him.
You want to go alone, don't you? All right. I'll meet you at the island.
Damn, this thing takes a while to get up. I'm gonna take you down, boy. You ain't gonna like it. Very aggressive.
I need backup. Piece of shit. Vehicle stuffed. Fucker's armed.
Reload.
Take him out. Look out.
Oh shit! I didn't realize there was a guy behind me. Oh my lantern. Ooh.
I need backup. We need every available backup. I see you good.
A little bit overkill, but it's fine. Ouch. Alright, here's the poker game. Where you at? Let's go to the poker game. That was simple enough.
Tobias Frewer.
Everyone deaded.
Claire's Island.
That Grenade launcher is probably my favorite weapon in this game. Besides the destroyer sniper that can destroy a car in one shot. Wait till I get that. You're gonna love that one.
Who'd
Nah,
suspect?
that's about that.
One of these guys is Tobias.
One of these things is not like the other. One of these things is not like the other. It's you. I forgot in this game when you play poker, you can use the cameras. Oh, and monitor their stress.
Let's do this.
Hmm. Oh, you lost some money. Let's see. Hmm. Chances? Nah. Fold.
Who are you? I don't know you. I don't know him.
Relax. Are you Tobias?
None of your business.
I'll take that as a yes.
No, take it as none of your business.
That's a nice attitude. Is that why Bloom fired you?
Oh. Why would you flip the table, bro? Ay, 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 bro.
Tobias! Stop!
Really, man? You flipped the table? You know how long it's gonna take them to clean all that up? Damn, man, for an old guy. Wait. Why are you shooting at me? Why'd you stop, bro? Oh, I just smacked you on top of a roof.
Alright.
Don't do anything you're gonna regret now.
And then I can let you go.
No, no way. They'll find out.
I'm not one of them.
Why should I trust you?
Because I could shoot you and take it.
Just trust me,
Oh,
because
that ain't
if
an
you don't,
answer,
I can
man.
just kill you.
Alright. I don't work with whoever you think. No one needs to know about this conversation.
No power to the bunker. They cut it. There's no power, do you get it? Might as well call that place a tomb.
Alright. I can deal with that.
That's all it ever was when you think about it. A tomb. Anyone that ever touched that fucking place. We all have one foot in the grave. But I'm okay. I'm safe here. Mostly.
Sure. Tobias. May I have the bridge remote? Please?
I built it, you know. A remote.
Yeah.
That's what I do, I build.
That's great. Let me have it.
Yeah. Fine. Sure. Yeah, you take it.
Great.
Yeah, it's your funeral. That's heavy, huh? Trust me, man. It only gets heavier. Hey, listen. If you need anything, I mean whatever, you come see me. I build stuff.
You do.
Alright. Smash the shop, buy ready to use crafted tools, like my jam coms, blackouts, and CTOS games. Instead of crafting them, I can just buy them. That's what I like to see. Alright, let's go see if we can activate this bunker real quick. A blank spot there is. I like being off the grid. Nobody can track me here.
The bunker. Claire's putting a lot of faith in this legend. And Tobias was pretty spooked by it. I'm not interested in the myth. If it helps me get Nikki, then I'll use it.
Enough. Wee.
Did you find Tobias?
I did.
And?
We played poker, had a nice talk.
What did he say?
Clara, it's real.
I told you. Don't go in without me. I'm on my way.
Don't worry. I still have to restore the power, and then we have to find an entrance. I'll see you soon.
Perfect. They are pretty spread out. I'm pretty sure all of them are the same, so I'm just gonna do these real quick, and then once it's all done, I'll catch you guys when I'm done. Number 1, done!
2 to go.
And that's 2. And 3! We have power. And time to enter the bunker. The best place on Earth. We're moving, right? Oh, look at us go. Bro, this is like a secret hideout. I want one of these in real life, bro. Hey, little off the grid, no one knows where I'm at. Ah, look at this place. Awesome.
Sweet home.
Power's off. Take the power. Oh, hey!
See? I was right. DedSec would make good use of this.
Clara, we need to make a deal here. No one can know about this. At least until after I'm done with it.
Of course.
Alright, if I remember, the power was up there
Help me get her
somewhere.
online.
Oh, nope, I was wrong. It's over there instead. There's a part over here. Oh, I got a blackout! Ironic.
Fingers crossed.
Jamcom. Systems online. Welcome, Aiden, Pierce, and Clara, Lily, something like that.
Carlis.
I think you're speaking French.
Looks like Bloom took most of the hardware, but connections are the important part. Voila.
Imagine this as like a gaming setup.
This is a secure site. By design, it's untraceable.
Unhackable.
Yet here we are about to hack it.
Because we're amazing.
I need to know where this IP address comes from.
Let me see. What's special about it?
It's just a lead, that's all.
How did Damien find this? This is pretty well hidden. Doesn't leave any doors open. It looks like it's coming from the Rosie Freeman district.
Viceroy territory.
Is that where Iraq is?
There. Surveillance. Can use those to get a peek inside. Can you connect from here?
No, they're completely off the grid. This is bizarre.
Well, if I can't connect from here, I'm gonna connect at the source.
I'll have you up and running before you're back.
Alright, we got the bunker online. Alright, I think I'm gonna call it for this episode, guys. We got a lot done today. Lost our hideout, got a new hideout. Our new hideout's the bunker. And I believe the next thing is we're going to the Viceroy territory. Oh, we're gonna unlock another CTOS system in the wards. I believe that will be it. Oh no, we still need to do Pawnee and Mad Mile. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do next episode. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you guys did, leave a like and comment down below. And I hope you guys enjoyed the series. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace out. One right now before we go. And we're gone!